Green Camp English speaking courses. All of you are welcome to listen and learn English session second. It is not for zero level students. It is for the beginners. ये जीरो लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं है, बिगिनर्स के लिए है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन एक एक लाइन में क्वेश्चन रखूँगा एंड देन उनके आइडियाज़ दूंगा मैं थोड़ा. वैसे सिमिलर आइडियाज़ आपको भी डेवलप करने हैं. क्वेश्चन: व्हेन डिड यू स्टार्ट टू लर्न इंग्लिश? आई स्टार्टेड learning English when I was in school. After leaving school, I took my education in English and till date I keep updating myself about the latest developments in written and spoken English by reading books and by visiting English teaching websites. Next question: what was your school uniform? Did you want any change in your school uniform? Answer: my school uniform was white half sleeve shirt, navy blue pant with navy blue color shoes. It was comfortable for all students and I was also satisfied with it. So I did not want any alternation in my school uniform. Should uniform be made compulsory in school? Yes, uniform must be made compulsory in schools. It makes students feel united and equal. This is very important factor in learning, according to me, as it gives a sense of similarity in students' mind. It also helps them in interacting with each other and in a better and efficient manner. According to you, what is better, school life or college life? Answer: well, both have their own peculiarities, but to me college life is much better because at college we come out of the innocent world of school and meet practical world. College is the place where we learn the basic of our social, professional, practical life. Next question: what are the meeting places of teenagers in your city? Teenagers in my city meet at restaurants, fast food counters, shopping malls, multiplexes, game parlors, discos, and so on. Teenagers are attracted to the lively, youthful, and vibrant ambience of such places. Next question: how is library useful to teenagers? I think library can be extremely useful to teenagers. They can read books on various subjects of their interests and satisfy their thirst for knowledge, which helps them in improving their academic performance. Moreover, they can also develop their personality by reading books on self-help basis. How will you collect funds for the library? Answer: there are numerous ways of collecting funds for the library. We can go to big business houses or industrialists and pursue them to donate for the library. We can also run campaign in newspaper, radio and television to inspire people to donate generously. Lastly, we can also request governments and members of the library to support the funding program as best as they can. Next question: how should the student-teacher relationship be? Answer: I think student-teacher relationship must be friendly and interactive. It is very important for both of them to understand each other to assure smoothness in learning process. If there is a distance in teacher-student relationship, learning becomes heavy and disturbed, which cannot give desired results to the students. I strongly believe that teachers who avoid, insult or humiliate their students are doing injustice to their candidates as well as their occupation, because by staying inaccessible to students, no teacher in this world can teach efficiently. Next question: why do people visit garden? People visit garden for variety of purpose, and for, we can say, various purposes. In morning, people go to garden for morning walk and laughing club. Children visit gardens for playing games, and elders go to the garden to pass their time with other people of their age group. We can also see sales and marketing executive arrange their on the field meetings in public gardens. So these are the various purposes for the visiting gardens. Next question: do you like flowers? Yes, I like almost all flowers, like rose, sunflower, and other exotic flowers, because of their fragrance, vibrant colors, and refreshing appearance. Do you give flowers to other people? If yes, then when do you give flowers to others? Answer: yes, I give flowers to others on various occasions like marriage ceremony, inauguration, visiting a patient in hospital. Moreover, I also give flowers to my friends and family members when they have an exam or an important interview or a meeting for various and particular purposes. At this time, I do give flowers without any reason or occasion, just to express my feeling to others. Next question: what is the difference between urban and rural area? Answer: there are many differences in urban and rural areas. They differ in size, infrastructure, facilities available, and climate. Cities are bigger compared to villages in terms of area. Next, they have wider roads, flyovers, multi-stories complexes, and shopping malls, whereas old houses, narrow roads, and natural landscapes are usually found more in rural areas. Last, climate of urban area is more polluted and noisier compared to cleaner, healthier, natural, and more peaceful climate of village. Next question: what are the advantages and disadvantages of living in urban or rural area? Urban areas offer better facilities like water, electricity, drainage, transport, and health services. Moreover, city also have higher employment opportunities and better quality of educational institutions. However, urban life is faster, more stressful, and more polluted. Rural areas have fewer facilities in terms of health, transport, employment, education, but people in these areas live with unity and warmth. What is more, the climate is also pleasant, pollution free, and the life is less stressful. सो ये स्टूडेंट्स थोड़े से मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस के रूप में डाले, कुछ आइडियाज़ मैंने दिए, आपको खुद को भी आइडियाज़ आगे से अपने आप से डेवलप करने हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू.